Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make beans and potato curry. I have taken 250 grams beans and about 3 potatoes. So I am going to make the curry. Very simple curry I am going to make. I hope you all will like it. So come on, let us start the recipe. Put some mustard oil. Put 2 bay leaves. Put some cumin seeds and red chilies, dry red chilies. Put 1 onion cut up. Put the ginger, garlic, onion, jeera paste. Put turmeric powder. Put 1 spoon chili powder. Put in the chopped tomatoes. Put the beans and the potatoes in. Put in the salt to taste. Put some water. Put in some cut coriander leaves. Cover it up and let it cook till the beans and the potatoes are cooked up. Simple bean and potato curry is ready. Thank you for watching my video.